virus won't follow us into the respiratory system.
It's strange. Airflow is down 20%.
So the brain isn't getting enough oxygen. That's why security's offline.
Well, I guess we better check it out. Hey, wait for me!
Put that back on!
If we got up to the bronchial catwalk, we could look for a blockage.
I'll go.
Don't be a hero, kid.
I'm not. I'm doing it because it's fun.
We shouldn't be here.
Whatever you do, do not fire that thing in here. We must save Reuben. This is my life's work. It's all right, my dear. Nearly all human lungs contain a strain of these bacteria, but the scar tissue keeps them dormant. Morty, get down! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, what are those things?
Tuberculosis coming in fast!
Not faster than a bullet!
No! Do you know what you've done? Get to the digestive tract. He's coughing.
Don't let me die! Just take a deep breath, Reuben. You're not gonna die! What's your name? My name is... Alexander! Rick, Reuben's got tuberculosis! Oh, great work, Morty. Okay, I'll just cure it and then... Okay, well, I can't cure death. This is bad, Morty. You're trapped in a dead man. Listen, if the situation keeps darkening, do yourself a favor and pop by Pirates of the Pancreas. Obviously, I'm biased, but I think it's great, Morty. It's a bunch of pirates running around a pancreas. We don't whitewash it either, Morty. I mean, the pirates are really rapey. The top priority is to get, you guys out of there, but I'm just saying, if that becomes impossible, please, you gotta treat yourself.